BPM technology, I think, is really, really important because it it really creates what I think of these coordination systems that help people actually coordinate their work and share knowledge, and do this over distances and time zones and between different departments and organizations. And that's so important because actually a lot of the way that organizations have been structured and the way they've operated in the past, this is starting to break down. And there are opportunities if you look at things like cloud computing, mobile technology, social technology. It's really giving us opportunities to find new ways to actually to make work happen and to make it happen in more places, make it happen with different people. And you need some kind of what I call this system of coordination to really make sure things can be linked together in a very strong way, but still a very flexible way. I look at a lot of BPM technologies in my work. That's actually a big part of my job, is to really understand all the different options for people. And I think technologies like Bonita's technology are very good in situations where you want to get started quickly, where you want to explore what the technology can do without spending a lot of money up front, so you can get hold of the core technology for no cost. And then as you start to understand more of what you need, you can just really take what you do need rather than having to spend a lot of money all in one go. So that's very good. I think the core of the technology, it covers all of the main bases well. And there's the other thing that's very important to realize and to explore is a very large base of connectors. And this is traditionally an area where people spend a lot of time and money, is connecting BPM systems to other systems. So the approach that Bonita has with this large network of contributors and lots of connectors that you can get can help a lot of people in their initial project phases. Really, success with BPM is, yes, there's technology, of course, but success really comes from understanding the people and using the knowledge they have, not just doing it to them, but doing it with them. So success is so much about really understanding the people you're going to be, changing their environment and getting them involved and helping them use their knowledge collaboratively with you to actually create the solution. So these systems that we're talking about, they help really improve your knowledge about how work gets done, and helps you to improve the way that knowledge is shared so that everyone can understand now how we do the work. And then it also allows you to take that knowledge through models of processes, takes them into actual working systems that coordinate the way that people get their work done, the way they work on tasks and integrate with systems and so on. And then they also help you to measure that so that you can really see, okay, in this process, which bits are working well and which bits aren't working so well. Companies really around the world are realizing they can't really just compete on price, they can't really just compete on product. They have to really try and give people a great experience, a great service, and try and differentiate through that. But doing that really requires that you connect up multiple different channels so that you can really give a great experience across social media, across web, mobile, in-store, on the phone, and make that seamless. And then also really connect that part all the way through from marketing to sales to operations to service. And this is a very, very big challenge for people. They can only start to really pull all that apart when they realize that technologies like BPM technology can help them connect everything together. Bonita Soft Process Efficiency World Tour, I think it's really cool. And for me, it's really cool for two reasons. Number one, it's great for a company to really come out to different markets and see people, and to try and share ideas and help people understand what's possible. But the other piece is actually that it shows, like people here in London, for example, it shows that Bonita Soft has customers everywhere from Ecuador and Colombia through North America, through lots of different parts of Asia and Europe, and that's very reassuring.